Hi everyone, I am Uttam and today I will be discussing about embedded system in medical devices. Firstly, let us discuss about the introduction to the embedded system, what is its definition and how these are useful to us. An embedded system is defined as a device consisting of processor, memory and input-output units and having a specific function within a larger system. Embedded systems are everywhere, from our phone to car, from medical devices to household application and even in aerospace and military equipment. They are the silent but essential brain behind our modern technology. Now let us discuss about the embedded system in medical devices. Embedded system form the backbone of modern medical devices like pacemaker, insulin pump, and monitoring equipment. They ensure continuous monitoring, precise control, and seamless integration with healthcare network, ultimately enhancing patient care and treatment outcome. Now let us discuss about key feature and challenges. Real-time monitoring and control, reliability and safety, low power consumption, low cost, and high availability are the key feature of the embedded system. Now let us discuss about the challenges which are faced during designing and implementing embedded system in medical devices. These are regulatory compliance. It involves meeting strict standards like FDA approval to ensure the safety and quality of medical devices. Data security and privacy, they are paramount in embedded system for medical devices, protecting sensitive patient information from unauthorized access and breaches. Hardware constraint, it necessitates optimizing algorithm and code to operate efficiency within limited resources like processing power and memory. Software complexity, managing software complexity is crucial, requiring a robust engineering practices to ensure reliability and scalability within meeting specific device requirement. Now let us discuss about the application of embedded system in medical devices. Embedded system are many useful in day-to-day life. For example, it is used in remote patient monitoring system, wearable healthcare devices such as fitness tracker, smartwatches. It is also used for diagnostic equipment like ultrasound machine, ECG monitor, therapeutic devices such as insulin pumps, drug delivery system, and surgical instrument. Now let us talk about the future trends and conclusion. Artificial intelligence and machine learning (AI/ML) applications include predictive analytics for early disease detection, personalized treatment plan, and optimizing healthcare operation. Example: AI-powered medical imaging for more accurate diagnosis, ML algorithm analyzing patient data to predict treatment responses. IoT, IOMT application encompasses remote patient monitoring, real-time data collection, and telehealth services. Example: wearable devices tracking vital sign, smart medication dispensers sending doses reminder, interconnected healthcare system streamlining patient care. Now concluding to the topic of embedded system in medical devices drive innovation across various applications, including AI/ML for diagnostic, IOMT for remote monitoring, and wearable tech for personalized care. These advancements hold promise for improving healthcare accessibility, efficiency, and patient outcome. Thank you.